You're gonna love the 2018 Dodge Challenger. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Challenger delivers menacing power, controlled handling, advanced cockpit technology, fine craftsmanship, interior comfort, and engineering that prioritizes safety and efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, backup camera, keyless start, heated mirrors, Bluetooth, electronic stability control, multi-zone AC, aluminum wheels, power driver seat. Take your lust for power to the next level. Drive the Challenger.